It is time for math, and yes, it's a sprint. I told you we're doing them this week. It is a sprint, but it's a different type. Notice it's different. It says +1 -1 +10 -10. You still need to pay attention to the symbols, and you're going to be on page 119. Those digits are 119. 119, and it looks like this, telling you to write the missing number. Pay attention to the addition or subtraction sign. So like I said, +1 -1 +10 -10. You're going to get a little bit of a little adding, a little subtracting out of the ones place to the tens place. But I know you got this. I know you're going to do your best. We are going to put 60 seconds on the clock, and we are going to begin. And on your mark, get set, go. All right. That does mean time is up, so stop what you're doing. And we are ready. We're going to go ahead and check our work. Come on. Okay, so let's take a look at what we did. It says write the missing number. Pay attention to the addition or subtraction sign. 5 + 1 is equal to 6. 16. 26. 15, 25, 35, 7, 17, 27, 37, 28, 18, 8, 19, 29. Top of column 2, question number 16, 29 + 10 is equal to 39. 10, 20, 30, 40, 39, 29, 19, 1, 10, 10, 1, 24, 24, 34. All right, double check what I did, but I think I got them all right. And that means I put 30 in the starburst. And then we look at 4, 5, and 6. What's happening in 4, 5, and 6? Am I going up by 1s or up by 10s? Going up by 10s. Excellent. What about 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, 7, 8, 9, 10. Am I going up or down? Down. Good. Am I going down by 1s or down by 10s? Down by 1s. Great job. Great job. Last question. 17, 18, 19, 20. What happens here? I am going up by 1s, but I'm also completing groups of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40 are complete groups of 10. Great work. Let's continue with our lesson. Great job on the sprint. We're now ready, as I said, to move into our application problem, which is on page 47 in our Learn Book. Our Learn Book, our blue trim Learn Book. And it reads, Emmy and Julio together have 17 pet mice. Each his own. How many mice might each child have? And I'm going to tell you right now, there are multiple correct answers. I'm only going to show you one correct answer that I picked. But there are several different correct answers. So go ahead. Don't worry about this sentence here. We're not doing the extension. Go ahead and come up with a possible right answer to how we can split these 17 pet mice between Emmy and Julio. Okay, so this is how I chose to split them. Kind of about even. I gave Emmy and Julio, I gave Emmy 8 and Julio 9. That's an option. We could have also done 10 and 7. I think a lot of you probably did that. 16 and 1, 15 and 2, 14 and 3. Yeah, keep moving one over. Just whoop, 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 whoop. And so as long as each of them has some mice and the whole is 17, you are good. You are good. So one of those problems with lots of right answers. I do imagine a lot of you did 10 and 7, and that's what I would expect you to do because we've been doing 10s and 1s, 10s and 1s, 10s and 1s. So, lots of right answers. Kind of nice. No, you don't like that? Okay. Maybe the next one will be a more straightforward right or wrong answer. But what we're going to do is, so, I have a question. How many Lincoln cubes are here? How many cubes do I have? Well, they're at least grouped in 10s, so we know we can count by 10s, and that's good. But is this neat and orderly and easy to count, or is this a hot mess? This is a hot mess. How about I put them like this? Does this help us count? Will this help us count? Yes, they're organized now. We can count them. We can say, counting by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Or look, 5, 5, boom, 10 10s, 100. Yeah. So what if I add some more? Do I need to start over? No, I can count on. No, I can count on. Good. So knowing that I have 10 10s, let's count by 10. So count by 10s. 10 10s, 11 10s, 12 10s, which is 12 10s has a value of 120. Good job. Yes. 12 10s is equal to 120. Great work. So knowing that and knowing that once things get neat and tidy, it's much easier for us to see. You know, I keep trying to make you do nice pictures. Don't worry. Oh, trust me. Right now, so what we've been doing with Topic B is helping us get set up to see and view these numbers. Topic C, we're going to start adding and subtracting. We're going to start adding and subtracting. All right, so we're going to count and fill. We're just counting and filling in our place value chart. These are peanuts. You don't know the page number because I kept it for myself. It's 215. The page number is in your Succeed book. Page 215. So that's 21 10s and 5 1s. 2, 1, 5. 21 10s and 5 1s. It's a lot of 10s. All right, but what we have here is we're going to count the objects. We're going to fill in the place value chart, and we're going to write the number on the line. So we're first, let's count the 10s, let's count the 1s, let's bring those digits together to make a number. So these are peanuts again, and in each of these bags, there is a group of 10. I know there's a group of 10 because so far we have been instructed that in math, when we are creating groups, if it's bagged up, it's a group of 10. If it's bundled up, it's a group of 10, which is why we're not looking at hundreds yet. I'm not counting all these peanuts, crayons, beans, balls, cinnamon sticks, and straws. I will not. We're going to go 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 10, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10, 9 10. Good. It's 9, 10. And how many loose peanuts are there? I've got markers still up my nose. Sorry. How many loose peanuts are there? 6 loose peanuts. Good. So 9, 10, 6 ones, 96. Now, the only thing is, do I actually have to count each individual bag, or can I look at how they're grouped, how they're drawn? Look at how they're drawn. They're drawn much like what we looked at before, 5 and 5. So it's 5 and 5 if they're stacked, just like when we complete our 10 frame. Do I have a 10 frame nearby? I don't see one. But yeah, when we do a 10 frame and we stack them on top of each other, we know that we're looking at 2 groups of 5. We don't have to sit and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, because only 5 fit on each row. So it has to be 5 and 5 to make the group of 10. So looking at the crayons, don't you count them. No, just look at the crayons. How many groups of 10? How many boxes of crayons are there? 10. Yes, there are 10 boxes of crayon, which means 10 tens. Good. There are 10 boxes of crayon, which means 10 tens. And how many crayons are unboxed? Look how these crayons are grouped. They didn't do that for the ones all the time, but look at how these crayons are grouped. That is 5 and 1 more, 6. Excellent. So 10 tens and 6 ones. Bringing the digits together to make a number is 106. Excellent. So let's look at the balls. Did we say these were balls or beans? I don't remember. Maybe they were balls last week, maybe they're beans this week. I don't know, but these bags are full. These bags are full with 10 apiece. How many bags are there? 10 bags. Bloop. 11 bags. There are 11 bags of whatever, which means 11 groups of 10, so 11 tens. And 6 loose balls? 6 loose balls? What are home balls? 6 loose balls. Good. So that means if we bring these digits together to read as a standard regular number, we have 116. So 11 groups of 10 and 6 ones is 116. What about the cinnamon sticks? What about the cinnamon sticks? How many bundles of cinnamon sticks do I have? I have 10 bundles of cinnamon sticks. Good, because this row is full and this row is full. What about loose cinnamon sticks? What about loose cinnamon sticks? How many loose, unbundled cinnamon sticks do I have? 9. I have 9 loose, unbundled cinnamon sticks. So 10 tens and 9 ones. Writing my digits, my 10 tens and 9 ones. How many cinnamon sticks are there? 109. Good. Now, this 0 has a value. This 0 tells me it is 10 tens. You can't just skip it. If you skip it, then you just have 19. Are these the same? Is this true? Is this true or false? That's false. Those are not the same. Those are not the same. 1 10 and 9 ones is not the same as 10 tens and 9 ones, okay? So you have to write that 0. That 0 has meaning. That 0 has value. It's not saying that there's none. It's saying that they're not loose. They're bundled up. It's communicating that there are bundles. What about straws? How many bundles of straws do I have? I have 10 bundles of straws. Good. And how many loose straws? None. When I have none, what number do I use to communicate none? 0. The number 0 communicates none. But when you're writing the number, it tells us that there are no loose ones. There are 10 bundles of 10. 10 bundles of 10 and no loose ones right now. But see, in that 10 bundles of 10, and that 10 bundles of 10, as soon as I take one away, I now have these 9 that live inside of there. Technically, 10 bundles of 10 is 100 ones. They're all in there. They're all in there. They're just grouped up together. Because it's much easier to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 than it is to go, let me do it, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Whew! Not only am I out of breath, but that is time consuming. That takes a lot of time. That is wasted time as opposed to counting by tens, grouping by tens. But we still need to express the value of the ones that are in the groups. The ones are grouped up. They're there, but they're already in groups. So yes, so 96, 106, 116. Wait, what happened? 96, 106, 116. Look what happened. What happened in these three problems, guys? I added a group of 10. Yes, I added a group of 10 each time. Good job. Yes. 9 tens, 10 tens, 11 tens. Look. 9 tens, 10 tens, 11 tens. My ones stayed the same. Ooh, that was nice. That was unexpected. I wasn't expecting that one. I thought the whole show, well, I don't know, I just made it. I don't make it up as I go, but I think of ways in which to help you connect to it as I go. So it kind of seems a little made up, but it's not. All right, so doing what we just did, counting and identifying the tens and the ones, bringing those digits together to write a standard regular number. Page 49 and the back 50, 49, 50, front and back, that same sheet of paper, that one sheet of paper. You're going to complete this. Work on this, I should say, about 10 minutes. You should be able to finish, but if not, don't stress. Don't stress. Do your best. Don't stress. Do your best. Okay? Then return to your Nearpod so you can complete your exit ticket. So you can complete and turn in your exit ticket. That is what you give to me to communicate that you're done. You went through this. You understand this. And if you don't understand it, then turn it in with the wrong answers that you think are right, because you're doing your best, right? Which lets me know how to help you. Wrong answers are better than no answers. Can't help you if you don't turn in anything. I don't know that you need help. But alright guys, that's all I have for you today, and I will see you later, and until next time, bye!